Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's daily cipher code is signal. Let's put it in together. So the first one is triple dots, 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 dots for S, and then dots, dots for I, hyphen, hyphen, dots for G, hyphen, dots for N, dots for E, and then dots hyphen dots for R. Here we go. 1 million coins, guys. Thanks for watching, and please share and like my video, subscribe to my channel so you can, and press the notification bell so you can get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.